Hi guys, welcome to the stock review of FBAN. Today we are going to take a look at the Starbucks stocks. We are going to look at three things. Number one, the stock performance of Starbucks. Number two, how the company is doing in terms of business. And number three, the speculation on Starbucks stock price. If you look at the chart, you will notice that the stock price movement has been really small in the last 2 weeks, which means that the current trend of Starbucks is sideways. It doesn't really go up or go down big in price changing. So far, this year Starbucks performance hasn't been really great as compared to last year, but it didn't perform worse than the most of oil companies. Since the stock split last year, the price value of Starbucks has increased with roughly 23.67%. If you take a look again at the last 2 weeks performance of the Starbucks stock price, it seems that we are about to change the trend, meaning that we might go up again in price. The volume of the trading of Starbucks has been dropping significantly, but as you can see, the lower the price goes, the lesser investors are willing to share or to sell their stocks. So how is the company doing in terms of business? According to the last announcement on 11 August 2016, Starbucks is going to expand their distribution center with an extra of 1.2 million square feet. With this expansion, the distribution center capacity will be increased with 35%. So this means that Starbucks is expecting that the business will continue to grow, which is good news for investors like us. So let's take a look at how the business was doing in the third quarter. Now we see that the sales in the US has increased with 4%, in China it has increased with 3%, and unfortunately in Europe there was a decrease of 1%. Now if we take a look at the total net revenue, it grew with 7% to a record of $5.2 billion. And there was 474 new Starbucks stores were opened in this third quarter. So we can safely say that the business of Starbucks has continued to grow in this third quarter, but it hasn't grown as much as it did in the previous quarter. If you look at the chart, you will see that the sales growth have been decreased. According to Howard Schultz, the CEO and chairman of Starbucks, he expects that the sales growth will be back on his normal track of 5% or more soon. So how is this going to reflect on the future stock price of Starbucks? When the third quarter results of Starbucks was released, the stock price went down with 4%, and since then it kinda got stuck on that price level of $55. After the dividend payout of Starbucks in early August, it seems that the stock price is consolidating at the price range of $55 and $56. If this is so, then it means that the price range of $55–$56 will be the new support level for Starbucks share price. The only way to get this confirmed is to watch the stock price of Starbucks bounce off that price level a few times. If this is going to happen, then we may see that the stock price of Starbucks will move into a bullish trend. And I believe that once the stock price closes above the $60, then we will go into a very strong bullish trend and we will set up newer heights, and the price height record of this year of $64 will be breakthrough. Now, if you are looking for a long-term perspective, I think that the fundamentals of Starbucks is solid, and with the store's expansion and the continuation of adding new products such as the recently gluten-free products and an almond milk, I am very confident that the Starbucks share price will eventually go to newer heights in the coming years. And one more thing, if you had bought 100 Starbucks stocks at the IPO for a total investment of $1,700, then you would now own a lot more Starbucks stocks because of all the stock splits they did since then, and your current value of your investment will be around $300,000. So you see, as long as Howard Schultz remains CEO and chairman of Starbucks, I think we all will be fine. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to watch more of these kinds of videos, then please subscribe and support our channel. We would appreciate that very much. Thank you.